Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start now by preparing the exact parts and the work area. You want a fresh CR 2032 coin cell, a lint-free cloth, and either a flat plastic pry tool or just your fingernail. Once ready, press downward on the stainless steel back, then twist counterclockwise about a quarter turn until it stops. This releases the back cover. Make sure to keep steady pressure to avoid slipping. If the cover resists, pause and reposition your grip rather than forcing it. With the back off, lift the old battery straight out using a fingernail or tool, and note that the positive side faces up. This is critical for contact. Clean the compartment gently with the cloth to remove dust or corrosion. Make sure the contacts are dry and undamaged. Slide the new CR 2032 in with the plus side up, ensuring it seats flat and makes contact. Once the cell clicks in, align the tabs on the cover and prepare to reseal the AirTag. To finish, align the stainless steel back and press down while twisting clockwise until it snaps into place. Don't over-rotate. Then bring the AirTag near your iPhone to confirm it responds. You should hear a tone or see a connection in the Find My app. If nothing happens, make sure the battery is seated with the plus side up, gently clean the contacts again, and retry with a different CR 2032. If still dead, inspect for corrosion or bent contacts. Replace the unit if damaged.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.